YouTube, we back with another video. I know I said the next video is gonna be a riding video, but I didn't have everything I needed to take y'all on a ride, but I promise it's coming very, very soon. But today, as the title stated, we'll be doing LED headlights. The Raptor is a little bit dirty after I got through riding. I literally washed it at night, so you still see dirt here and there, but other than that, it's pretty much clean. I'll put a picture somewhere of the way it looks when we was at Sunnyside. But today we are doing these LED headlights. Gonna do a before and after of the headlights. Let me go ahead and switch it on and show you. There we go. So that's what the headlights look like right now. So we're gonna swap them out. It's very easy from my understanding. It's literally a 10mm bolt there, rubber grommet here, and you got the connector right there on this side. Pretty much the same. You got the rubber grommet, 10mm bolt, and the connector right there. So let me shut it off and we'll get right to it. Also, I need to find my impact. I say just 10mm. For all of you that know, 10mm like to run away, so this one was actually put on handcuffs, so it didn't get a chance to run. All right, got my impact. Let's get to work. I'm gonna try to do this with holding the camera with one hand and using the impact with the other, but pretty much that bolt out right there. You got this one out here, and then I'm just gonna sit it right here on the tire for now. Bear with me because I really don't know what to do. Actually, nope, that's not a bolt. It's just rubber grommet. So you just gotta kind of pull on them. There we go. One popped off. See how more dirt came out right there. So I'm probably gonna rewash it at a later date. Ooh, got my hand a little bit. Yep, be all right. But yeah, I'm probably gonna rewash it at a later date. Then you take this connector off here. If I can get it. I tried to do it earlier when I ordered the bulbs without, but maybe before I ordered the bulbs, I tried to do it on the other side, but all right, give me a sec. I gotta wipe that up. It's leaking right now. All right, we back. As y'all can see, had to put a Band-Aid on, but pretty much it gotta come off of this one. There's one right here. Definitely gonna rewash this thing, definitely, because I got dirt everywhere. But process is still trying to get this connector out. Once this connector is out, we got the headlights off. Maybe, just maybe I'm not pushing tight enough, I guess. I'm not sure. Alright, trying to figure out how to get this out. It's being a pain. Alright, I'm gonna pause. So as y'all can see, headlights are off. The connectors are a little pain, but just a little bit of maneuver, you can get it out. They need to be clean because, boy, look at all this dirt. But for the most part that I notice is, like I said, I'm still gonna try to do this one hand. You gotta take this dust boot off. Okay. So once the dust boot off, the headlights looks like they twist in. So you gotta twist them out, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, so that headlight is done. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this one. That way, if you ever pick up a 2021 Raptor, I think it's all of them really. I think from 2015 up, I believe. But yeah, you're gonna pull the dust boot off. Then you're gonna push down on the bulb, but you gotta break it free on the all three corners that's in here. It's kind of hard to do, especially with the new bulbs. Well, haven't been, taken out. Let's see. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see, but it's gonna be kind of hard. There we go. So once you push down, you twist, boom, comes out. Then you take the old bulb out. Boom, boom. Here's the old one. I'll set that up there. Then you take the new one, which is right here. As far as the camera is not in focus, got a car that's like sitting on this road that's been like just sitting here running, so I'm trying to keep an eye on that. I'm kind of paranoid with stuff like that. But yeah, you got this little tang right here, goes into this groove right there. Oh, hopefully you can see it. But yeah, that tang that sticks out goes into that groove. Up, boom, boom. Light goes in. Then you take your coupler, or what we want to call this. Pretty much you put your connector. You lined it up with the 3 spots. I gotta flip it out real quick so I can have more room to mess with this. So you flip it out, you line up with all your, you line up with all your 3 holes. It's kind of hard, like I said, it's kind of hard to do it one-handed, and also trying to keep an eye on this car that's just been chilling right here. Okay, don't go that way. Let's try this way. Okay, boom, boom. So once it's there, you got them all lined up. You press down and twist. And once you twist, it locks in. You can pop that back out if you decide to. Try to get all this back. All right. Hey. And then once this is back on, boom. Headlights done. You can install, well, reinstall. So we're gonna slide back over here. I'll put the connector in first this time. That way it can just hang if it needs to, like that. Connector in. Then going on that rubber piece and that rubber piece with the two corresponding spots, and maybe a little bit of a pain to put on. Well, also because like they are dry right now, like. But once you get them lined up, you press, and eventually they fall in place. And then you take your 10mm screw, put it up here. You can line the two holes up and screw it back in. Don't over tight them. They ain't gonna fall off. It's kind of crazy, but boom, that's in. Headlights done, and we can see what it looks like. Oh, hold on, I swap this. And there we go. 10 times better. 10 times better. So see y'all next video. Hopefully it'll be a ride video, but see y'all next video. Peace.